Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a platform or an app, you may say. It's an AI app or VS Code clone in the web browser. So with AI capabilities. So it is actually using the open source model, which is Qwen, which is a Chinese based company, which offers free unlimited access to AI models. So if you just type Qwen, Qwen, Qwen3, this is the model name. So basically, this is their official website, and it's in a free open source model. And this is actually available on Hugging Face as well. Hugging Face, if you don't know, it's a platform where you can actually find open source models. So that's exactly this space is hosted right here. I have given this link in the description of this video. You can directly go to this space right here, and actually, it is using this model. You can even go to their official website as well, chat.quen.ai. So this is their official website of the Qwen model. This is a Chinese-based model which offers free unlimited access as compared to Gemini or Claude or Cursor, which is paid subscription-based AI models. This is complete open source model. So one developer has made this nice little application where it allows you to actually make full stack coding application directly. It's a similar interface to VS Code. So whenever you land on this interface will look something like this. So right here you will have a chat prompt. Right here you can ask the AI anything, and there will be this left hand area where you will see the code generated, and on the right hand side your app will build side by side. So this is a mini VS Code clone in the browser. So right here, let me just ask it to build a scientific calculator with advanced UI in browser. So you simply ask the question. After asking the question, it will start generating the app for you side by side. You will see the live preview as well as it is generating. So you can see that as it is generating right here, you are seeing the live preview, and all these scientific calculator operators are there. So as it is writing the code on the left hand side, you are refreshing the user interface as well. So it's a fun little experience of building full stack coding applications directly in the browser using the Qwen3 AI model. So as you can see, it is powered by this Qwen model, and it's building out a full stack scientific calculator. As you can see, you can even toggle the theme as well by pressing this button. So please wait for the AI to finish working, and then you will see this scientific calculator. So right here you can ask any question to build out a coding application. So you can just see the speed here. It's a great alternative to tools like Claude, Cursor, and Gemini. So now it is complete. You can even toggle the theme as well to dark theme. So this is your fully fledged scientific calculator. You can make the operations. It's fully functional. You can calculate the log of 89. So it's fully functional. As you can see, it has built a fully fledged scientific calculator. So what you can do, you can copy all this code generated inside your VS Code as well and store it. It's very simple. Just create a file and just paste the code, and here also it will run exactly the same. So you can see, so this is totally up to you what sort of application you want to create. You can even ask follow-up question as well, writing inside the chat prompt. So this is unlimited access. There is no restriction out there how much use you can do. So basically, let's suppose I say change this to build a image to PDF web app. So now it will actually build out a image to PDF web app as well. So for this to you can actually sign in with your Hugging Face account to uh, remove the limit of free AI usage. So you can actually log in with your Hugging Face account. So what I will do, I will simply open. So just go to this URL. This is the space hosted right here, and yeah. So I am logged in. So I will say build a image to PDF web app. So you just need to log in with your Hugging Face account. You can sign up for a free. You can just sign up I think I have created one account on Hugging Face. I don't know. Just this is the URL. You can definitely check this out. You write the prompt. Yeah, so you just sign up. Hugging Face. This is the website where you can actually explore AI models for completely free. Yeah, so in this we have an account here, so I can simply show to you quickly. So build the image to PDFs. So you can build out any application. It's totally up to your imagination how you. So just need to authorize it. So once it is complete, it's a mini VS Code clone. It has a similar interface to VS Code. So if you just get a warning of access, you can sign in with your Hugging Face account. It's completely free to sign up. And then ultimately this will generate unlimited applications for you. You just need to write the prompt and just you can see on the right hand side it is automatically updating, and you can build out any sort of application. So now it is completed. You can choose files or images which you want to convert to PDF. Multiple images. Click on convert to PDF and it will download. So what you can do, you can copy this overall code here inside your VS Code. You can see that. So basically the speed is also very insane. It generates the thing in a flash, so you need not have to wait for anything. So in this easy way you can build out any sort of application. So definitely check out this space guys, which is hosted on Hugging Face. I have given the link in the description of the video. So there is no restriction out there how much you can build out there. Just in the chat prompt, in the settings here, it is using the automatically the Qwen3 model right here for coding full stack application directly in the browser. You should not have any sort of software installed. You come to the web page, you basically write what sort of application you want to generate. So again you write build a QR code generator. Again the AI will start generating the code for you. So you can just see here. So any sort of application it can make, QR code generator, scientific calculator. As you can see now it has built a fully fledged QR code generator as well. So here you just need to enter the URL. Let me enter the website name, click generate QR code, download. As you click download, your QR code will be generated. So as you can see, so this may will can help you earning money as well. So because in a matter of seconds you can create full stack applications and then you can monetize these applications as well. So this will save you a lot of time. Now let me just build a car racing game in browser, fully functional. So the prompts are also need very important whenever you are talking with AI. If your prompt is better, the AI result will also be better. So now it is generating a fully functional car racing game with full scorecard and full background as well. So you don't need to have any sort of coding knowledge. You can use this Qwen3 model and it will generate a fully functional game. So you don't need to be a coder or web developer. So now your game is started. Then play this game. You can control it, the car. Let's see. You can even make modifications as well. Just please modify this game to remove all other vehicles, just one vehicle and a road. Just add some more jungles or trees, make it fun to play. So basically you write follow-up questions, you can even do that as well, and then the AI will modify that source code for you. So every time it will generate unique games. So the experience of using this Qwen3 model is very tremendous. So you can just see the speed as well. So I have given the link in the description of the video, guys, so you can even go to this URL and simply get started for completely free. No need to create any sort of account. You basically write the prompt and then generate full stack apps and games in a matter of seconds. So now it is complete. Here you can see now there is only a single car we are controlling using our arrow keys. Now let me just build a fully functional cricket game with bowling, with AI bowling and we batting with scorecard. So now we are building a fully functional cricket game. So you can just see there is no restriction out there as opposed to other AI providers such as Claude Cursor, Gemini, which gives you subscription messages that you need to purchase subscription to continue. This is fully unlimited. So there is no restriction out there on how much apps you can generate. So here you can hit. So some results are not good. You just need to try again and again. So whenever you basically like, so Qwen3 is open source. You can even download this model inside your own machine as well. So if I just write Qwen3 open source, so it's also available inside GitHub. You can try out. It's developed by this Chinese company Alibaba Cloud. Here you can see it's completely open source. So that's this application is using powered by Qwen3. So definitely check out this website, guys. You can build out full stack coding applications similar to VS Code. It's a mini VS Code in the browser itself.